A 20-year-old Carlsbad man who police say made threats he wanted to commit a mass shooting and blow up a government building appeared virtually in civil court downtown today. It's our top story on the 4. I'm Shanna Handy in for Anna Laurel.
I'm Carlo Cicchetto. CBS 8's Kelly Hessedal joins us live from the Hall of Justice. Kelly, this is a story CBS 8 broke last month. This is the man investigators say was messaging with a Wisconsin school shooter. So what happened in court today?
Yeah, there are a lot of layers to this story. So this hearing today was to determine whether or not Alexander Paffendorf is allowed to own any firearms. We know that there are no criminal charges pending against him, but we also learned today that there is an active criminal investigation underway. So Paffendorf, he appeared without an attorney, and it seems he may not grasp just how serious this case is.
Can you please turn your camera on, sir? Okay.
Yes, Your Honor, sir.
Okay, and you can hear us okay?
Yeah.
20-year-old Alexander Paffendorf appeared virtually in civil court, dressed in a shirt and tie. He spoke to the judge from an unknown location.
Are you ready to proceed today, Mr. Paffendorf, or are you?
Yes, Your Honor.
He told the court he wanted to move forward with today's civil hearing, despite a separate criminal investigation that's still underway.
You do have a Fifth Amendment right to remain silent and to not incriminate yourself. So the court would be willing to continue this matter out for a couple of months to see where the criminal investigation goes, and then we could come back at that time. Would you prefer to go that way?
We can just do it today, Your Honor. Sorry.
However, the judge said based on the seriousness of this case, the court would postpone the hearing until spring. Last month, Carlsbad police served Paffendorf with a gun violence protective order. Investigators say Paffendorf messaged with Wisconsin school shooter, 15-year-old Natalie Samantha Ruppnow. According to the 2-page restraining order, during an FBI interview, Paffendorf admitted to the FBI agents that he told Ruppnow that he would arm himself with explosives and a gun and that he would target a government building. Right before today's hearing ended, Paffendorf told the court this.
In terms of just the whole thing, I would just like to apologize to the court, and then in terms of the future, in terms of the gun violence protective order, whatever you feel is necessary and the Carlsbad Police Department feels is necessary, I'm willing to accept. So, just for future reference.
Thank you for that, sir.
And so a hearing has now been set for April 4th. In the meantime, Paffendorf is not allowed to own any firearms, at least until that date. Shannon and Carlo.
Kelly, what do we know about this ongoing criminal investigation?
Yeah, very little at this point. It does appear that the FBI is involved. There was a liaison for the FBI who was listening in virtually during today's hearing, and he was asked, do you believe that 2 to 3 months is going to be enough time for this criminal investigation to proceed? And he said yes. We did reach out to the FBI for comment today, but a spokesperson declined to comment.
Interesting, not real clear there if that young man understands just how serious this situation is. Kelly Hessedal reporting for us live. Thanks, Kelly.